we are here at Lao Immigration. So we're going to Thailand. So we are now here going to the immigration. Yeah. So immigration. So we just finished the immigration for Lao, and now lalakad tayo papunta ng other side of the world para sakay naman tayo ngayon ng bus going to the Thailand side. Okay. So nakabili na tayo ng ticket. We're just waiting for the bus. Yeah. Okay, so we are now here at the Thailand side. Let's go. So just finished the immigration and now waiting for my bag. Okay, here we go. We're done. So we are now here in Thailand. So this is Thailand now, finally. So dito sa border may mga nag-aalok ng taxi. So tatanungin ka nila kung saan ka pupunta, kung sa airport, ganyan. Yung pag sa airport ka, ang charge nila is 600 baht. So napakamahal. So just advice lang sa mga international travel, of course you have to be ready sa pen kasi kailangan mong mag-form ng mga documents. Like here sa Thailand, kailangan ng arrival form or the TM6. So kailangan mo ng pen kasi wala kang, I mean, may mga pen naman pero pila-pila. Pero kung gusto mong mas mabilis ka, so magdala ka ng sarili mong ball pen. So ito na siya, nandito na tayo sa may border. So we are now here sa Thailand land. So ito yung border. Ito yung mga taxi services. Naka-vest sila ng yellow, pero hindi tayo sasakay dyan. Ano na lang tayo, magba-van. So kasi mahal, 600 yung singil nila. So we are here now. Actually wala akong cash, so maghahanap pa ako ng ATM machine para mag-withdraw ng Thai baht. So here we go.
Shut the hell up, shut the hell up, shut the hell up and get your work done. Shut the hell up, shut the hell up, shut the hell up, shut the hell up and get your work done. Shut the hell up.
Okay, so checking in the hotel. So this is the hotel. Yeah. Hello. Wow, it's a nice view of hotel. It's overlooking. It's nice. So this is the hotel. Okay. Okay. Good morning, everyone. So okay, so nag-overnight ako dito sa may hotel. Oh, look, my lips parang kinagat to ng alam mo to. Okay. So gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo yung view. And this is the view from my hotel. And the swimming... Ay, umaambon. No. Hindi pala siya umaambon. Kala ko umaambon. So here we go. So ito yung view ng hotel. Nakakamiss mag 7-Eleven. Nakakamiss ang mag 7-Eleven. So we are now here in Nong Khai border. We're going to exit Thailand. So finally, nakapasok na tayo ng Laos. And we got another visa. So nagbayad ako ng 20 baht. I don't know kung para saan yung 20 baht na yon. But anyway, nakapasok na tayo. So ayun, problema ko na lang pauwi ng bahay. Ayun guys, so that's it for today. Thank you so much. Have a good day.